Hello again. Well, this time I will show you how to restore or to recover the file that we have backed up earlier. So let's say this is the new computer. We need to install the application that we did last time, as I showed you in the previous video, and we open it. We connect the hard drive to our new computer, and from there we go to user. It will give us the backed up files. It will show us like in here. So we go right over recovery and click on it, and we will open the browser, and from there we select the file that we have backed up. It was this one. So we just select it and select the file right here, and as easy as that, we just go ahead and select the other thing. Select the destination where to save this file. So we just need to click on the first one down below, recover to. We click on it and we browse, and we select where we want to save this file. So let's say on desktop. We select it and we click on proceed. This shouldn't take much time too. It's a small file, and it will be up on our new computer in no time. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Now we can just close and finish and close, and we can go to the file and verify. Open that, and here are all our CDs, and they are working. They open. That's perfect. So thank you, and if you need to know anything, if you have any questions, please call me and I will help you. All right. Bye bye.